Good morning and welcome back. I'm building things entirely made out of duct tape. On our last video we built these things, so I'm not thrilled with how big they are. It's part of the reason why these builds take so long is I'm just always second guessing myself. Crazy idea. I'm not really liking this piece anyways anymore. Take out the center support. I'm just going to flatten this down all the way. That'll more closely resemble the piece. Not much difference, but might be enough for my own sanity. If I was paying more attention a few weeks ago when I built the guns actually appear to be black, not green. Guess it just kind of depends on the model I'm looking at. Alright, there's one more structure to get on here. And there's a little thingy back here. I don't even know what it is. Start off with 3 inches. Let's see where that takes us. This is just largely being made up as I go. No idea what the final outcome of this part is, or if I'll even use it. Just see the structure, and I'm just trying my best to copy it. It actually looks pretty close. Alright, now I've got 2 of these, so then I can mount on either side, but they need to be a little bit thicker. Yeah, that'll do. So now I gotta make 2 more, but unfortunately I'm all out of the little strips to make them. Okay, I got my 4 units, and I'll try to match them up, and pair them off, and build up our structure here. Alright, got these 2 structures built, so I shall skin them, further reinforce them, and then tape them to the body. Alright, just taped a sheet to the outline, so it's in this region somewhere. Okay, it looks like if I have it up on this ledge, it'll be good enough. Keep finding things to add. These back structures are complete. Now what other detail work do I gotta do? Well, there's a lot of like colors I've got to add to it. I just want to make sure I get all the sticking out things first. I think there's a little something right there. I think I'll call it here for right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one.